With increased focus on climate change globally, there has been a shift towards green energy. Energy storage is the key to unlock India's ambitious target of achieving 40% of installed renewables capacity by 2030. Energy storage system accelerates the development of electrification, decentralization and digitalization and relies on power conversion. Danfoss Drives has unparalleled expertise on energy storage systems, and we lead energy transformation using power conversion technology, which helps reduce emissions. The Danfoss campus in Oragadam, Chennai is a proud example of how Danfoss India walks the talk. Made a reality with our partner Soaring Inc., the campus hosts India's first privately owned and managed grid-scale battery-based energy storage system. A plug-and-play for both behind-the-meter and front-of-the-meter applications, the system is also scalable and flexible while providing a reliable and cost-effective solution. The energy storage system also helps to avoid energy wastage by storing an additional 270 kilowatt of excess energy generated over weekends. Our DNA and culture have been instrumental in building our leading position across multiple industries. Energy storage integration into its renewable energies is one of those top actions. Sustainability has been part of Danfoss's purpose since the company was founded. Driven by the power of an electrified society and fueled by the opportunities of going digital, Danfoss is engineering solutions that can unleash the potential of a sustainable tomorrow.